A friend of ours gave us some yucca, and we're going to plant it today, and I'm going to show you what we're doing. We're going to create a yucca and banana garden in this back section. When you're planting yucca, you should have 4 square feet per yucca plant that you're going to put in the ground. We have 3 spots behind the bananas where we can put 3 yucca, and then we have 2 in the front. So this is the yucca. And notice it has a little arrow up that tells you which side it came off of the stalks. And we want to make sure that we plant it arrow up. My husband is using his homemade sifter that he made, which is really nice. And he's separating out all the rocks and the extra big pieces of organics, just trying to get the good dirt. This was the last truckload of dirt that we got, so we have to kind of sift it to really get through. But look at this dirt, look how nice it is underneath here. Yep. There you go. So we're doing that, so he's sifting it, getting it ready, and we've been prepping this area where we're going to put the yucca. We have the bananas back here, but you can see this is everything he's been doing, which is pretty amazing. After we put the yucca in, then we're going to mulch it. We'll mulch this little area, so it'll look really pretty. And the border up will help to keep the mulch in and help keep the water in for the bananas and for the yucca. So we'll show you when we're done. Mozzie's Zen gardening, is that what she said? Yeah. Oh, that looks pretty. It's going to be even prettier. Okay, you ready for the yucca? When we plant the yucca, we're going to plant with the arrow side up and 2 nodules sticking out. So we can plant in depth all the way up to about where my finger is right there.
One, 2, right there. Good.
Yeah. You're doing the same thing with those?
When I was doing it, there was hardly any moisture down at the bottom.
So about 3 weeks later, we came out and found these leaves on the yucca, and they are growing and doing well. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.